it's Kim here. Today we'll be cooking some ham with some roasted potatoes and roasted broccoli. I know that I say this all the time, but at my grocery store we had a sale on ham, so we went ahead and bought that. Normally I would prefer a honey ham because I have a sweet tooth and I love my savories being sweet, but my boyfriend, he's like weird and he likes savory being savory. But this recipe was actually not that bad. You could actually taste the ham in this recipe. Me and my family would always cook ham for like almost every occasion because it was just so simple. Ham is basically already cooked. You just need to warm it up by just throwing it into the oven. Cooking time will vary because it's the size of your ham, of course, and there are instructions that will be attached to your ham usually on how long and per pound how long you should cook your meat. I just simply unpackaged the ham, got a pan, lined it with foil, placed the ham on top of the foil, and I poured some chicken broth over the ham. Would also like to note that I placed my ham fat side up. And I'll just make a little house for the ham out of foil and just cover the ham completely with more foil just to prevent any drying during the cooking process in the oven. I cooked my ham at 90 minutes, I believe, at 350 degrees. But like I said earlier, it varies from the size of your ham and stuff. You could baste it from 20 to 30 minutes, which is basically scooping up the soup and pouring it over the ham. But I kind of skipped that step because I was just too lazy. For side dishes, I'm just kind of lazy and I went with just making some broccoli and red potatoes. So I just got 2 trays and lined it with parchment paper, added red potatoes and broccoli on both of them. I seasoned the broccoli with some lemon, pepper, and salt. And I drizzled some oil over it. And I did the same with the red roasted potatoes. I baked the broccoli at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and for the red roasted potatoes, it took a little longer, about 45 minutes or so. This is like the simplest recipe ever. If you ever have a family gathering and you're like responsible for a dish, you should totally just say, I'll do the ham, because it's like so simple. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video, follow me on all my social media sites, and watch my previous video, and bye!